Retirement Hidden Truths is dedicated to helping you uncover the skills to find high income and growth stocks. It gives you methods with a goal to maximize your investment returns. It exposes possible mistakes a person can make to help you prevent financial losses. It uncovers hidden investment fees. This channel is for the advanced retirement investor as well as beginning investors. I will be passing on over 36 years of stockbroker and portfolio manager experience. My name is Joe Cantu, and this is my personal story in the stock market business. I'm a West Point graduate. I have served in the Army as a nuclear weapons launch officer and as a helicopter pilot in Latin America. I worked for 3 of the largest Wall Street firms. Discover high return stock analysis and how to make money using several different methods. Learn the hidden secrets of how to professionally capture losses. Maximize income by not making mistakes in the underlying principle to incur losses. Find high income bonds. Make money with a weak US dollar and become exposed to the hidden secret on how to use international bonds. Learn why I prefer tactical money management versus strategic money management, and find the hidden information in stock research. Hidden Truths is a journey to uncover and empower you. Maximize income with growth. That's right. Add the growth component to your income stocks. I've been trading gold and silver for over 36 years. Don't just guess, but know when is the best time to buy and sell these precious metals. Discover key indicators and telltale signs of good and bad economies. Learn about investments around the world. Again, this channel is for advanced retirement IRA investors and beginning investors as well. Finally, discover the real hidden truth about tax-deferred annuities and hedge funds. You will be surprised at the pitfalls and the hedge fund constraints. Did you ever want to know about the differences of financial advisors, financial planners, financial consultants, registered representatives, stockbrokers, investment advisors, fiduciaries, asset managers, hedge fund managers, and insurance agents? Well, you've come to the right place. Did you know that you can predict the stock market direction? That's right. Learn about tax-free income. Learn 3 critical mistakes, or you could suffer losses. Discover 3 factors for finding international stocks. Investing has risk of loss, and past performance is no guarantee of future performance. Again, you can lose money investing in the stock market. Joe Cantu and Cantu Tactical Wealth Management are registered investment advisors in the states of California, Florida, Georgia, and Texas, providing pure independent advice and money management.